Kia ora whānau. So here's my pretty garden. So I'm doing a close-up views. So this is my front yard strip. Right here. Right along. See, so there's the marigolds. They're newly out there, so obviously it's going to take a while before they settle in. You see, this one just took over this little reused drawer that I used as a garden bed. Look at this coming right down here. So as this creeps down, I use it and fill up this bed over here. It's looking a little yellow. See, so because this grows so well, I'll just come under here, show you how, I transplant this out, and spread it right throughout the garden, just like so. These roots will take off under there, and it will look like the rest of them, just like this. All of this here that comes down near the drains, instead of our drains blocking up, is a neighbourhood gesture. I think that's why the council hasn't complained. I'll keep all of this clean and, reuse it back in my gardens. But see, these bits will take over this drain and nothing will get in there. So as you can see, there's a little patch on this side. I'll chuck the bottom in and then let it just settle in. And same with those. And then I'll continue on down when I have more yuccas settled in. And over here, look at these pretty plants. So what have we got here? I think we've got potatoes here. So we've got some puha, got more potatoes. Got some succulents. Check out this pretty one. I think that's pretty. My Fijo tree over here. Some more marigolds that I chucked in out the front.